Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to access hidden information from About Phone on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone and launch the Settings app to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Next, scroll down and choose the About Phone option on the screen and view all the hidden information. Enjoy the music. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.